Mr. Stevey here, and today we're getting ready to unleash a calming storm inside of us. That's right, today we're learning rainstorm breathing. It's a super fun way to wash away any worries and find your inner peace. Got your raincoats and umbrellas ready? Then let's go, friends. First things first, close your eyes and imagine standing in a beautiful meadow. The sun is peeking through the clouds, and a gentle breeze is rustling the leaves. You hear a soft pitter-patter. It's rain. A light, refreshing shower starts to fall, making the world sparkly and clean. Now, take a deep breath in through your nose. Feel your tummy inflate like a balloon all the way up to your chest. Hold it for a second, like a fluffy cloud collecting raindrops. Like this. Now, slowly exhale through your mouth, making a soft shh sound, like the raindrops whispering secrets to the earth. Imagine your breath washing away any worries or stress, just like the rain cleans the leaves. Like this, friends. With your eyes still closed, keep breathing in and out, nice and slow, matching your breaths to the rhythm of the rain. Feel the tension melt away with each shh. Now, if you want, you can even tap your fingers on your lap to mimic the raindrops falling. Remember, the gentler the rain, the calmer you'll feel. For my little friends, you can turn this into a game. Try making raindrop noises with different parts of your body, like tapping your knees or clapping your hands. For my older friends, let's add a visualization challenge. As you practice, try to imagine different colors of rain, like calming blue or energizing green, and see how it affects your mood. After a few minutes, let the rain fade away. Open your eyes and take a look around. The meadow is sparkling clean, and the sun is shining bright. Feel that sense of calm and peace inside you? That's the magic of rainstorm breathing. You can use it anytime you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed. Just close your eyes and let the rain wash it all away. So there you have it, rainstorm breathing. Super fun and easy way to relax and find your inner peace. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep breathing and keep smiling. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome breathing exercises and adventures. And until next time, stay calm, friends.